Good morning, students. In last class, we are discussing about the types of software. In types of software, we are discussing about the application software. And in application software, we have already discussed about the packages. Now, today's we are discussing about the utilities software. You can say utility program or utility, both are the same things. What do you mean by the utility? Utility means to assist your computer. That assist your computer is your utility. Some utilities help you back up your data. Some utility help remove outdated files or recover data that has been accidentally erased. So application software that assist operating system in carrying out certain specialized tasks are called utility software. Utility software is your application software. So utility software is the part of your application software. Utility are those application programs that assist the computer by performing housekeeping function. What is the function of utility? Housekeeping, like backing up disk of scanning, cleaning viruses, or arranging information, etc. So many types of utilities are there. We have here discuss about the some main and popular utilities here. Our first utility is antivirus. And what do we mean by the antivirus? This utility program ensure virus free work environment. This utility free your data, free your in computer from the viruses. A computer virus, what do you mean by the computer virus? A computer virus is the malicious software that damage your data, that copies your data without your knowledge, that slowing down your computer speed, corrupting or destroying the system. A software that assists the operating system in providing virus-free environment. So antivirus provide virus-free environment, provide virus-free computer, provide virus-free data, provide virus-free your document. So this utility is called antivirus utility. An antivirus scans the system. Antivirus scan your data, antivirus scan your files and scan your system also. And if any virus is detected, gets rid or it by deleting or isolating it. If needed, the data will be deleted from your computer system. If virus is there, it can detect many types of, so many types of viruses are there. For example, boot virus, trojan, worm, spyware, etc. When any external storage device like USB drive, pen drive, and your portable hard disk, any portable device, when you you attach with the CPU, when you attach your computer system, when you attach with your laptop, uh, so any external storage device attached to the system, antivirus software scan it first. First it will be scan your external storage device and gives an alert if a virus is found. If a virus is detected, you can set up your system or periodic scans or scan whenever you feel the need. A combination of both the technique is advisable to keep your system virus free. So a antivirus software scan your disk for viruses and removes them if any virus is found. So moreover, we can say antivirus software remain present in memory all the time so that they can detect viruses and counterattack them. So antivirus provide you a virus-free environment. Clear everyone? And the next utility is your compression utility. You have listened so many times compress. We have compressed our file. So your data, for example, your one file is in MB and we convert in KB. This means compress your data. The quality of your file is same, but the data storage is your minimized. So the storage amount is minimizing. This type of utility is called compression utility. Storage space is always at a premium in computer system, so operating system are always looking at ways to minimize amount of storage space taken by files. Compression tools, compression utilities, and compression utilities is also the part of your application software program, are utility that assist operating system in shortening files. It short your files and that they take less space. It convert your files GB to MB and MB to KB. And we have already discussed about what do you mean by the GB, MB and KB. GB stand for gigabyte, MB stand for megabyte, and KB stand for kilobyte. After compression, files are stored in a different format and cannot be read or edited directly. It need to be compressed before it can be accessed or further used. Some popular compression tools are WinRAR, WinRAR files, pzip file, the WinArchive file, etc. So many compression utilities are there. So many compression tools are there. The next type of utility is your file management tool. File management tool. What do you mean by the file management tool? As you know, file management is an important function of operating system, as all data and instruction are stored in the computer in form of files. Utility software providing regular file management tasks like browse your files, search your file, update your file, preview your file. So these all functions are called file management, are called file management tool. Windows Explorer in Windows operating system, where you can manage your file, where you can, if you want, you can cut your file, delete your file, rename your file. So if you want any activity with your file, then you can use the Windows Explorer. Same like you can use Google Desktop, Directory, Opus, or Double Commander, etc. An example of such type of tools. So now we are discussing about the next utility, and the next utility is disk cleanup. Disk cleanup utility, and disk cleanup tools assist users in freeing up disk space. It provides the free space to your in your disk. The software scans hard disk to find files that are no longer used and free up space by deleting them. Clear everyone? If your data, if your file is stored in your any device in any disk, and no more space is there, this disk cleanup utility provide you the facility to free the space and by deleting these files. And the next type of utility is disk defragmenter utility. Disk defragmenter means to divide and to partition your hard disk and any disk in different parts. For example, your hard disk will be divided into different drive. For example, A drive, C drive, D drive, E drive. A drive for your floppy disk drive, C is your hard disk drive, D is also your hard disk drive, and your hard disk drive may be 2 or 3. It depend on your breakup of your hard disk. So disk defragmenter is a disk management utility that increases file access speeds by rearranging fragmented files on contiguous locations. If your large file are broken down in small part into fragmentation, and when you need you can again combine these all the files. This is called your disk defragmenter utility. When such files are accessed by the user, access speed is slow due to fragmentation. Disk defragmental utility scan the hard disk and tries to assemble file fragments so that they may be stored in the contiguous location. If your file is very large, you can store your file in different locations, and when you need, you can again rearrange it on uh, and free space on your computer. So this type of utility, this type of activity is called your disk defragmenter utility. And the next type of utility is your backup utility. Everyone know about this. everyone take your data in pen drive, in CD and in DVD, and this type of activity is called your backup utility. And backup utility means facility the backing up of disk. Backup means duplicating the disk information. Backup means duplicating the disk information, so that in case of any damage or data loss, maybe your data loss, maybe any damage in your hard disk and your computer, any damage is there, this backup data may be used. So backup utility enables backing up of files, folder, database or complete disk also. Backups are taken so that data may be restored in case of data loss. Backup is a service provided by all operating systems. In standalone system, backup may be taken in the same or different drive. In case of networked system, backup may be done by backup server. You can backup your data on different types of devices. For example, you backup your data in CD, DVD, pen drive, portable hard disk, and we can say we backup our data online backup. For example, if we want to backup our photos, then we use the Google Photos, where you can backup your data, and if your data will be damaged or any loss from your computer system, you can again reuse your data from the and download your data from the Google Drive and Google Photos, etc. So these all are your utility software. Here our application software, two parts are completed. One is your package and second is your uh, utility software. Now our two application softwares are left. One is your customized software and second is your developer tools. We are discussing these both in the next video. Thank you everyone.